Well, hello, hello, hello. Happy holiday season. I hope you all are enjoying this season with friends and family and having tons of fun and laughter. You guys, so I just wanted to hop on really quickly and tell you and share with you all how I just sold $200 without even leaving the house, okay? So, and I'm also going to share with you how you could do it as well. So, as I said, I have not left the house, you guys. This is all coming in through the telephone and is a source of referrals. So, step one, right, is you actually want to maximize this free shipping offer that Avon has, and then this also guaranteed holiday shipping offer that Avon has. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to text, email, call, or even make a social media post to your existing customers, potential customers, people who have expressed interest in purchasing from you, or even those who may have looked at it before, and let them know, like, hey, did you know there's still time to get your holiday shopping and gift giving or gift giving season is still available, right? Like, do you know that you can actually still place an order today, tomorrow, and still get your products back before Christmas, right? You actually want to say this to them because a lot of people don't know that. Some people are used to, companies that take a month to ship. Some people have even seen companies take upwards of 6 weeks to ship. So you want to tell them, like, look, this shipping time is going to be fast. And this is what I tell every single person, you guys. People who call me, whether it be a referral, whether it be somebody that I met, I tell them, I say, hey, because most people want to know, when can I get it back? And they always expect it to be 2 weeks, 3 weeks. And I tell them, I say, hey, you know what? Avon's been moving pretty fast. Literally, it's been taking 3 to 4 days is what I tell people, 3 or 4 business days. And I even give them some recent examples. I say, I can't guarantee it, but I can tell you this, right? And I let people know how fast it's going to be. Just the fact that I let them know how fast the shipping time is, they're actually sending referrals. Now we have it in writing, right? You want to make sure you're checking your emails from Avon or checking youravon.com because we actually have this in writing. And also on your e-store, there's a link for shipping information where it has the map and it has the actual holiday shipping days calendar, okay? So, anyway, you want to call, text, email, social media posts, and tell people how they can get their items back before Christmas. So, currently, you guys, it's December 13th, right? They can place an order anytime between now and December 16th and receive free ground shipping, and the order is guaranteed to come back before Christmas, okay? Now, let's say they're a little bit of, a procrastinator, me, right? I wait to the very last minute, okay? They can place an order between the 16th and the 20th noon Eastern time and still actually get their orders back before Christmas. Avon is actually reducing the shipping fee this time around for the holidays, you guys. So your expedited shipping is slashed in half and it's $7.95, which is not bad at all when you think about it. Our standard shipping fee is what, $6 already? So for like an extra dollar and a half or so, right? They can get it back expedited 2-day shipping. So you want to make sure that you're looking at your e-store and you're actually looking at your emails that come from Avon every Monday at about 11 or 12 o'clock. Okay, there's very good information in there. In order to take advantage of the expedited 2-day shipping, the code is SPEEDY, like Speedy Gonzalez, okay? So, anyway, you text, call, or email them and let them know there's still plenty of time to place an order before Christmas. Then, with that, you want to actually, especially if you're like doing this via email, you want to send a link to your current e-store or online store as well as the current brochure and just be like, hey, check out the current brochure to see what type of items we have. We have a lot of holiday gift items that you can actually check out the holiday gift guide, right? There's a lot of actually baskets or like bundles, right? Like fragrance bundles, 3-piece fragrance bundles, 4-piece fragrant bundles, and things like that. So tell them to look at it, right? They might still be thinking, what can I get so and so for Christmas, right? Especially if they're working, right? I find that a lot of people who are working, actually purchase a lot of Avon for their coworkers, okay? And then the last and final tip that I have for you guys is, let's say you receive a call. Pull up your e-store to take this order. Now, there's going to be two reasons why I say do this, right? Or maybe three, I don't know. So the first reason is I'm realizing that Avon is out of stock on a lot of items, even some of the core items, such as I went online today and I found out that the Skin So Soft Creamy Body Wash in Soft and Sensual is out of stock. Like, people are ordering it, you guys. It's one of the most popular products, right? Just as well as the eyeshadow palette that they came out with in, I think, campaign 26 is no longer available. People are actually buying it. So what you want to do is you actually want to have your e-store, excuse me. You want to have your e-store open, right? You want to be able to pull it up, and then that way you can look up the items while you're talking to them. And you can even be creating an order for them. And the reason why I like to do it this way, right, is because you can collect the money up front, and then also you can have it shipped directly to them, so that way you don't have to leave the house to deliver it, okay? You always want to make sure that you do select the item on the right to actually include a free brochure in their order as well. But anyway, so you want to have your e-store pulled up, so this way you can actually see what items are available and you can provide recommendations. For example, I had someone that wanted the Far Away gift set and it's no longer available, but I was able to sell her on the Prima gift set, right? Because I had my e-store open, right? I don't always have a brochure in my hand, but I always got my cell phone, right? I'm always close to like a tablet or something. I'm more closer to a tablet or a cell phone than I am the actual brochure. Plus, like, you know, with the brochure, you got to flip through all the pages and it just gets to be a little bit too much. And plus, if someone did pass along your brochure, it's probably an older brochure anyway. So you want to make sure that you have your e-store up, and that way you can tell them the current price. You can also provide recommendations, okay? So people literally say, you know what? You sell this stuff. What do you recommend? And then this is your opportunity to actually increase the sale. And then also, third and final point is now you don't have to really worry about calculating the order because it's done online. So all of the information is done for you, okay? Now, if they choose to say, hey, I still want you to order this for me, an easy little way to rebuttal that is just to say what these items are available right now, and honestly, the way things are going, I can't be sure it's going to be available when I get time to place my actual order. But if you place it right now, we can pretty much guarantee you're going to get these items. Things are going really, really quick because everybody is ordering for the holidays. And literally with that, I have no objections to anybody giving me their credit card number, okay? I ask them where do they want it shipped. Some people are going to have it shipped directly to the job. Some people are going to have it shipped directly to their home. But those are my little tips on how to actually maximize in this holiday selling season, right? Everybody's purchasing something. Make sure they're purchasing it from you. So number one is you want to call, text, email, or social media post and let people know about the fact that it is still not too late to actually place an order and have it back before Christmas. Step number two is you want to be sure to include a link to the current brochure or your online store. This way, in case you haven't seen any customers or you haven't saw or seen a customer in a month or 2 months, they still have access to the brochure. And then number three, if you are actually talking to someone, whether it be face to face or on or via phone, right? I couldn't get that out. But if you're talking to someone, right, and let's say they are not as technically savvy, don't be afraid to actually place the order for them right on your e-store. And look at that. You just sold what, to one customer, two customers, three customers without even leaving the house, y'all. So that's my tip for today. I hope to help. Catch you guys on the next one.